How to become a manager. Fellow engineers, you are working as an engineer in couple of years. Now you have a question, how to become a manager or when to become a manager. Basically, you want to become a manager. All engineers also can become a managers after a couple of years. The project manager or a construction manager are basically to lead a team. Now let's find out the answer for the question how to become a manager. I will list out some of the questions to find out the answer. The question number 1. A fresh graduate engineer can become a project manager? Answer: yes. A fresh graduate engineer without any experience can also become a project manager. Question number 2. An engineer without any field experience can become a project manager? Yes. An engineer without any experience also become a project manager. Certifications like a PMP and MBA programs are really required to become a project manager? Answer: no, or not necessary. Question number 4. Seniority, company ownership, partnership and inventorships are required to become a project manager? No, not necessary. Which means a fresh graduate engineer without any field experience, without any certifications, without any seniority, company ownership and partnerships, a person also can become a project manager. How it is possible? Okay, let's find out the answer. There are 4 ways to become a project manager. The way number 1. An engineer can become a project manager after years of experience without additional any certifications. This is the way number 1. And graduate engineer can become a project manager after the years of experience. It may be 10 years or it may be 15 years or it may be 20 years. And way number 2. An engineer can become a project manager after gained MBA with minimal experience. The way number 2. An graduate engineer after his MBA graduation, he has to gain the years of experience from 6 to 8 years or 6 to 10 years to become a project manager. The way number 3. An engineer can become a project manager after gained PMP certification with 5 years of experience. And graduate engineer with 5 years of experience and PMP certification person can become a project manager. Now, what is the way number 4? An engineer can become a project manager immediately after graduation. Now let's see in detail way number 4, how it is possible. The answer for all your question, how to become a project manager after or immediately graduation. The answer for all your question is Nicmar, National Institute of Construction Management and Research. This institution provides you the qualification of a project manager after your post graduation. The Nicmar, the program is the best course for any engineer could go for. The courses are equally useful to students all over the globe, especially those working in Gulf, Asian and SAARC regions. Now let's see in detail what is Nicmar. The National Institute of Construction Management and Research is a non-profit management institute and research center in field of construction, engineering and management. Was established in 1982. Nicmar was founded in 1983 as a result of joint venture and joint effort by a group of major construction companies in India headed by Hindustan Construction Company, setting up an advanced research center in construction management. Nicmar was accredited by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology as a scientific and industrial research organization and is headquarters at Mumbai, main campus being at Pune. Nicmar keeps references on national and international standards such as Bureau of Indian Standards, Indian Road Congress, International Federation of Consulting Engineers, International Labour Organization. Nicmar offers several postgraduate level courses in the field of project engineering, construction management, and related areas. It also conducts short, medium, and long term programs for executive development primarily aimed at construction industry. The longer duration programs are based at Pune, Goa, Indore, and Hyderabad campuses. At the end of every year, the institute invites application for all its courses. Now, what are the courses offered by Nicmar? Nicmar offers several postgraduate level courses in the field of project engineering and construction management. 2-year full-time residential programs for degree holders. These are all 4 courses offering for 2 years full-time and residential, means that the person has to stay there and complete their graduation. Postgraduate program in advanced construction management, engineering project management, real estate and urban infrastructure management, infrastructure finance, development and management. And also 1-year full-time residential programs for degree holders. The postgraduate program in quantity surveying and contract management, health, safety and environment management, management in family-owned construction business, logistics and supply chain management, energy management, environment management. Now you have a question. What we do as a working professional to do with these courses? How we can do these courses in full-time basis? Nicmar offers various programs by distance education mode as well. As a working professional can do in distance mode programs, the 2-year postgraduate distance programs is offering by Nicmar. The courses are construction management, project management, infrastructure development management, construction business management, real estate management, postgraduate program in quantity surveying, health, safety and environment related programs. And also they are offering 1-year part-time weekend postgraduate programs in quantity surveying and contract management, construction management for working executives, project management for working executives, facilities management for working executives. 2-year graduate distance education programs in construction management, construction business management, construction safety management, construction quantity surveying, power sector project management, contract administration and dispute management. There are several associations and collaborations are with Nicmar. The key one is the Project Management Institute is PMI has placed an environment at Nicmar for promoting research excellence by awarding 2 scholarships to the best students. And also Economic Times, Construction Week magazine and CREDI also have partnership with Nicmar. And Nicmar is associating with Construction World magazine for recognizing excellence of construction companies based on a rating program developed by Nicmar called Construction World Nicmar Award for the most admired company in the field of construction. And also Microsoft ERP programs also set up with the construction ERP laboratory in Pune campus. And Nicmar utilized the services for construction computer software South Africa for project estimation and control by the way of Candy, an industry specific software developed by CCS. And also Palisade EMEA and India, a subsidiary of a Palisade Corporation UK, is a software partner of Nicmar for the use of decision tools suite industrial and ERP software for risk analysis. Not limited to, there are worldwide associations and collaborations are accepting and recognizing Nicmar certifications. Now what are the eligibilities are required to enter into Nicmar and complete its graduation? The institute accepts the application for admission to the full-time and distance 2 years and 1 year PGP postgraduate program courses. The students with a graduation degree in engineering, architecture, planning can apply for admission. Admission will be based on the performance in NCAT, National Career Aptitude Test, conducted by the institute along with the personal interview. CAT, GATE, GMAT, CMAT qualified candidates will be exempted from the institution's entrance examination. The application form can be filled online as well as offline from the official website of the institution. Moreover, Nicmar offers admission to the executive PGDM course for which the working candidates can apply. The center's location and campuses, where it is located. The National Institute of Construction Management and Research, Nicmar, the main campus is located in Pune, and also there are other campuses in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Goa and Delhi as well. Nicmar also has 2 off campuses at Dubai in association with ACORE consultancy available in Free Zone, and in Bahrain a joint venture with Al Moel Institute. Both the centers conduct company-based programs as distance education for the engineers. Let's see the statistics. PMB vs MBA vs Nicmar. The statistics clearly shows there are huge employment opportunities as a project manager in Nicmar. If you see the comparison between degree, MBA, PMB and Nicmar, the employment is showing for the project manager. The employment is highly available in Nicmar compared to others as a project manager. Therefore, the conclusion is, if you are a Nicmar graduate engineer, after come out from Nicmar, directly you can enter into any organization as a project manager without any experience. The Nicmar is providing the hands-on real-time projects experience during their 2 years construction programs as well as the distance education programs. And also if you are a working professional and working in a projects, you can also get a graduation in distance mode and you can upgrade your designation as a project manager. The Nicmar is the only and exclusive institution for the construction management programs. It's not a IIT, it's not a IIM to provide the general courses. Nicmar is providing specific construction management related courses. So any engineer can become a project manager after completion of your Nicmar graduation. Thank you for your valuable time. We hope that you enjoyed the video and you learned the information. Let's learn together and make it possible. See you soon with our next upcoming video. Hope you like our video, subscribe our channel and share our video. Thank you so much.